There are a couple ways to make your nav go across the page. I'm going to show you kind of one of the easiest ways. The first thing I'm going to do is give your nav, well, your nav has a background color, so we're sort of set with that. When I looked at your code, what I saw was that your nav was actually part of the main, which is one of the reasons it's not going all the way across your page. So if we look at it now, it's going across your page because you made it go across your page, but we need to make it go be 100%. So I'm going to take your nav out of the main because we don't want it to actually be in the main. So I'm going to take the whole thing, div id equals nav, all the way through your closing trig tag. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it up here underneath your header. So when your header opens, closes, I'm going to put it up there above the filter because we want it to actually stretch across the page. And if it's in the main section, it cannot stretch across the page. So now, it's not going to look that much different. Okay, so there it is. Now, over in our CSS, now that we've made that change in the HTML, over here in our CSS we can fix some things. So, for example, we don't need the left minus 300 pixels. So if I get rid of that over there, this isn't my nav where you were selecting in your nav. Okay, so now it goes across the way that you wanted it to. This filter is needing a little bit of work, but other than that, it goes across the way that you wanted it to. Okay, now instead of setting it having a width that's absolute, what you can do is you can set the width to be 100%, and 100% will be exactly the same as 1024. But because you set it 100%, you can actually set these different pieces to be different percents of that. So if we have a list item as being width 25%, right? And the nav UL being width 100%. So if the width of the UL is 100% and the list items, are each 20, not 25, 20%. They have to be 20% because there are 5 of them. Then each one of them takes up 25% of your page. So you should be good now. The one thing that's going to cause it to be a little bit problematic is this padding left in your nav. If you take out the padding left, then you don't actually have any extra padding on that side, and everything shifts. Maybe you want the padding left though, because it makes everything over a little bit. Okay, so there you have it. Again, just a width 100% in the nav, a width 100% in the UL, nav's UL, and a width 20% in each of the LIs. And that will make it so it stretches across the page.